The Weather Extreme video. This is the morning edition for Tuesday, the 14th of March. I'm James Spann, and seasonably cold weather headlines are forecast for the next few days. Temperatures go way below freezing both tomorrow morning and Thursday morning. And a blizzard for parts of the Northeast U.S. today. So let's take a look at a busy weather map. Very dynamic trough sweeping through the eastern states, helping to spin up our blizzard. That's the infrared satellite view. Note the cloud tops are cooling over parts of Maryland, Delaware, New Jersey, eastern Pennsylvania, up toward New York and Connecticut, New York City and Connecticut, and that's where the snow rates are increasing. But precipitation type is always a challenge with these things. Check out the radar. And again, you can see that for Philadelphia, looks like things have changed over to mostly sleet. You got rain down toward Atlantic City, and it's all snow for New York City. And again, that is always the biggest challenge of these things, and that always affects the snow amounts greatly. The surface low is located around Virginia Beach, 994 millibars, maybe slightly in a position a little more west than forecast by the models, but still the whole thing is taking shape pretty much as forecast. Now down this way, we note on the high top radar in northeast Alabama a few sprinkles and flurries. Looks like some snow flurries for parts of Jackson and DeKalb counties. And we'll have the chance of some drizzle this morning and the better chance of any flurries up there over the northeastern corner of the state in the colder air. Fort Payne is at 39. Cullman and Haleyville 39 as the day begins. Low 40s elsewhere. And we'll stay in the 40s all day today. Clouds, pretty good north wind begins to kick in. And again, maybe some drizzle this morning. And around the nation, hard to find much warmth. In fact, temperatures are below zero on this March morning over parts of northern Minnesota into Wisconsin and upper Michigan. Now, all the counties shaded in those navy blue colors, those are freeze warnings. Now that we're into mid-March, those are being issued by the Weather Service. And notice in Alabama, the freeze warnings extend almost all the way down to Mobile for, and this is technically for tonight, but we'll have one for tomorrow night as well. And then, of course, the winter storm warnings and blizzard warnings continue up in the northeast United States. But rain, not that much. This is the rain for the next 7 days, valid through Tuesday morning of next week. Nothing for South Alabama. Rain amounts under a quarter inch for much of North Alabama. It looks like we could see a little rain on Saturday with a surface front, but probably not much with that. So model fans, here we go. So the GFS, the 06C run at noon today, eastern trough down below that. Wow. How about that? Now, for us, again, on the far back side of the circulation of that, it's going to be windy, cold, and again, the chance of drizzle this morning. Temperatures stay in the 40s today. 983 millibar low, just southeast of Long Island. And that's just a mess. But I think everybody's hunkered down. That'll be winding down tomorrow. Still some snow flurries, still very windy up in the northeastern states. And for us tomorrow, the winds go calm, and we'll have a very cold morning. The latest NAM has got us down to 23 in Birmingham tomorrow morning. And I think both tomorrow and Thursday morning, some of the colder pockets could see upper teens. These values are not at record levels, but they're close to them, and it's certainly way below average. The day should be sunny and the high, again, only in the 40s tomorrow. Thursday, same thing. We start the day down in the mid-20s. But during the day, we go back in the 50s, the sky bright and sunny. This is Friday. We note a front surface boundary from Chicago down to about Wichita Falls, but Friday for us should be dry, partly sunny with mid-60s. And then Saturday, the surface boundary comes through with some rain. No big rain event. Rain should be fairly light. It's not going to rain all day. High will be in the middle 60s, the sky cloudy. And then Sunday, slightly cooler air drops in. Looks like Sunday will be a sunny day with a high around 60 degrees. Go to Monday, we're still dry. Upper 60s are likely, and this is a week from today, Tuesday the 21st, a zonal flow. Good chance we'll see low 70s by Tuesday. 70s coming back. That'll feel better. And again, another surface boundary just north of us. This is the end of the forecast period. Thursday of next week, March 23rd, troughing coming through with a surface low right on top of us. And if this were to verify, we'd have rain but no severe weather and a chance of snow again for parts of Kentucky, West Virginia, on over toward Washington, D.C. and Baltimore. But the numbers after this cold snap look a lot better with 60s and 70s. But again, I caution you, I fully expect one more run at freezing at some point if not in late March and early April. Again, that's almost always a given around here. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes in the blog. The next video here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. If you can't catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.